Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Fliki export problems even if you are not facing any issue right now. First, make sure to open the Fliki app and log in with your account. Now tap on the file icon at the bottom to see the existing projects. Within it, tap on any projects that you want. Once selected, it will open the editor. Within it, tap on the preview icon at the top, play the video. If the video previews correctly, it means that your project is ready to generate, but if it doesn't, editing the text or visuals usually fixes this issue. Now come back and tap on the download option. If the download fails, simply try downloading again, and leaving the app or switching screens during generation may also cause the problems. Fliki also need unstable internet connection. If export fails, just switch to a strong Wi-Fi connection or mobile data and again retry it. The another cause may be that your video is too long or has many scenes, so try shortening the scripts or reducing the visuals, then generate again. Also make sure that the Fliki has storage permission enabled. Without the permission, the video cannot be saved to your phone. But even following all these steps, it does not allow you to export. You can just close the app and again reopen it. Also make sure to check the updates in the App Store or Play Store. Within the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom, and within the search bar, tap Fliki. If there is update available, you can just tap on the update option, and that's it. You have successfully fixed almost all the Fliki export, generation and download problems. Even if you are not facing the issue right now, these tips help you to avoid the problems in the future. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.